Good morning. In this session, I'm going to discuss a simple problem. The problem name is first peak. I write code in Java, universal language. Given sales data, over a period of, say, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 months. Find first peak. Draw a graph. Take months on x-axis and sales on y-axis. First 5 in the 0th month, and then 7, and then 10, and then 5, and then 6, 4, 3, 2, 10, 4. How many peaks are there? First peak, second peak, and third peak. Find out the first peak. Suppose peak occurred in the month I. This is sales in month I minus 1. This is sales in month I plus 1. The condition sales in ith month, if it is greater than previous month sale and greater than next month sale, then I is a peak month. For I minus 1, you should start from I equal to 1. Otherwise, I minus 1 will not exist. For I plus 1, you should end at n minus 2. Otherwise, I plus 1 will not exist. Okay? So this is case 1. Let us do it. Let us write code in Java using online compiler. We have sales data with us in an integer array. Zeroth month, and then there's a fall, and then there's a rise, and there is fall, and there is rise, and there is fall. Okay. So first peak is 6. Let us call a function by name first peak and pass sales data. Okay. And let us receive data as first and print it. Using system.out.print. What are you printing? You are printing first peak. Okay. Suppose you want to print the sales data and the first peak. Sales in first peak. What is that? Sales array and index is first. Okay. Now, let us write that method. A static method returns integer. Function name is first peak, takes sales array. Right? Now, let us provide details of this method. To find out number of months by using length parameter. Now, start from first month and end date last but 1 month. Or have that condition. If sales of ith month is greater than sales in previous month and sales in next month, then return the month number, the index of the array. That's it. Now, there are special cases. What are they? If I is not returned, the data could be something like this: rising or falling with no intermediate peaks. Okay, this is sales in 0th month, this is sales in first month, this is sales in 0th month, this is sales in first month. If rising, then this is the peak. If falling, then this is the peak. So if there is no intermediate one, the data must be either rising or falling. How do you know that data is rising? If sales in first month is greater than sales in 0th month, rising. If rising, the last one is the peak. Let us do that. If sales in first month are greater than sales in 0th month, then it is rising. Then what will you do? You return n minus 1 is the index of the month where sales is at its peak. Otherwise, say falling. My assumption is sales of any 2 months are not equal. Sales are unique values. Else, what does it mean? This one. Sales of 0th month are greater than sales of first month. Is this clear? Then what shall we do? We return peak. Peak month is 0, right? That's it. Let us run this. There is an error. What is expected? The condition is not completed and sales in the ith month are greater than sales in next month. One more error. Parenthesis is missing. Taken care. One more. Sales in ith year greater than I minus 1th year and ith year is greater than I plus 1th year. So if there are two conditions, this is if. Let us separate both the conditions by using parenthesis, right? Okay, done. Sales in first week. There should be some space here. Is this clear? Now, let us change the data. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Falling. Sales in first week. Okay, next. Other special case. Rising. So it has taken all the three cases into account and gave right answers. The assumption for this is all sales data are unique values. In the next session, I'm going to solve sales data with unique, non-unique values and not only first peak, but printing all the peaks. Is this clear? Hope you understand this code. Keep watching for more and more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.